Dreams can be really trouble sometimes. While we were defying gravity a second ago, the next second we could find ourselves in stress, in the middle of an exam you never studied. So how do we deal with this? Is it possible to control dreams? Is there a way to become aware that we are dreaming while we are dreaming and to act accordingly? Believe me, this is not such a difficult thing. At least it's easier than learning a new language or preparing for the final season. You must have heard something called lucid dreams. When the person is dreaming, being aware that she is dreaming and the dreams that she is aware of that she is dreaming are called lucid dreams. It's Turkish's transparent dreams. It is not possible to experience this immediately. You will have to try a little bit. There are several ways to dream transparently, according to new research from the University of Adelaide. First of all, let us state that the research was carried out using 3 different techniques. Reality test. Even if you are sure that you are awake, it means, I am not dreaming right now, I am awake, during the day. A habit-building technique by checking whether you are in a dream at different times and processing this control into your subconscious. Waking up to sleep. Waking up 5 hours after going to sleep with an alarm and going back to sleep mode immediately after waking up. Mnemonic behavior technique. After 5 hours, when you wake up, repeat to yourself, I will be in a dream next time I wake up, and to focus on dreaming by accepting the intention of having transparent dreams. According to Mashable's report, the most successful of these techniques applied to 169 participants was the reminder behavior technique. 46% of those who applied this technique had transparent dreams. However, those who used the combination of these 3 techniques had a higher success rate. Dr. Denholm Aspie explains why transparent dreams usually occur after a few hours of sleep. One of our participants was practicing the mnemonic behavior technique. After 5 hours you wake up so prone to dreaming that all you have to do is think about your intention. Many studies prove that transparent dreaming is something that can be learned. Transparent dreams improve the quality of human life. For example, transparent dreams are very good for patients with post-traumatic stress disorder. They are effective in the treatment of recurring nightmares. Transparent dreams allow the patient to control or even change their nightmares at that moment, to go over the thing that frightens him in his dream, and to wake up if he wants to. Be aware of your instant consciousness. Being aware that you are in a dream is no different from the awareness you are currently reading these words. For example, if you press the back button of your browser right now and then press the forward button, you will still be on this page. If you make the same move during the dream, you may find yourself somewhere else. This could be another page as well as a boat. Dreams are not consistent, and recognizing these inconsistencies is the easiest way to tell if we are dreaming. This path is the first step to living a lucid dream. If you want to understand what it feels like to be lucid in your dream, you must first understand what it feels like to be lucid in real life. For that, you have to do these exercises every day. See, be aware of what you see. Notice the rich and vibrant shapes, colors, movements, dimensions, the whole world. Listen, be aware of what you are hearing. Feel the dozens of tones that come to your ears. Feel, be aware of where you are touching. Feel textures like soft, hard, dry, sticky, wet. Think about concepts like weight, lightness, stiffness, temperature. Compare how your body is feeling right now and how it feels in different situations. Tired, energetic, sick, satisfied, happy, painful, etc. Taste, be aware of the food and ingredients you taste. Smell, be aware of what you smell. Be aware of everything you smell, like hot body odor, cigarette, perfume, coffee, onion, alcohol. See. Memorize them and visualize them. Breathe, think of your breathing. You weren't even aware of the breath you just took. You weren't even aware of one of the hundreds of breaths you take while reading these exercises. Now hold your breath for a few seconds. Let go. Breathe deeply now. Being aware of your breathing will allow you to be in complete control. Feel your emotions. Be aware of your emotions and feelings. Be aware of all emotions such as anger, joy, peace and excitement. How do real emotions feel? Be aware of your thoughts. What did you think during this exercise? What are you thinking now? How real do thoughts feel like? We experience the above senses and others countless times a day. The more we are aware of these senses in our real life, the more comfortable we can use these senses in our dreams. After all, if we cannot remember the scent of the ocean, the shape of the sand we touch with our feet, the color of the sun on the horizon, or how soothing these are, we cannot imagine a moment that we enjoy at the seaside. Once you've done these, you can proceed to these last two steps. You are also in this world. According to William James, experiencing consists of seeing, hearing, feeling and thinking. We are in the middle of what we have endless experiences. But despite this, we are not aware of ourselves. You should do your exercises with I see, I hear. Awareness of consciousness. Finally, you must be aware of your consciousness. Normally, consciousness focuses on objects, not us. But this object may itself be consciousness. Experience here cannot be expressed sufficiently by language. Congratulations. You have now taken the first step towards becoming a dream explorer. Considering that we spend a third of our lives sleeping, it will be profitable for us to have a good time while sleeping.